Good afternoon. Again, my name is David Burczyk. I'm a segment manager for Trimble MEP, so I'm focused on our field solutions, which centers around the robotic total stations and our 3D laser scanners, which are being used for the mechanical and electrical industry. What I want to talk about today is just the Trimble solutions that we provide for both not only modeling and detailing, but then how those solutions then help to facilitate VDC, or virtual design and construction. As we all know, BIM is a tool. Building Information Modeling is a tool. And virtual design and construction, or VDC, is the process. And by using BIM, that's the tool that then enables VDC. And with the Trimble MEP solutions, we kind of use that thought as looking at how what you're doing in the modeling environment, how does that information get pushed out to the field, so you get this direct connection of all the effort that's being done in the office and then pushing it out to the field for accurate representation when construction begins. So I want to look at each of the segments here, talking about modeling solutions that we provide, how drawings get published to the field for layout with the trades, actually doing the layout in the field, and then how that information then comes back and gets updated with the model. So with the modeling side of things, the solutions that Trimble provides, we have 3 solutions that we provide now. We have Trimble MEPdesigner for SketchUp, which is a new extension that we recently introduced to help provide an easy-to-use solution for using intelligent data within the SketchUp platform. Currently, it's using data that's focused around the electrical contractors, but as time progresses here, we'll begin to integrate the mechanical solutions as well, so you'll have intelligent data that can be used within the SketchUp platform. The other 2 solutions that we have are Trimble DuctDesigner 3D and Trimble PipeDesigner 3D. And these are our 2 solutions that work inside of AutoCAD as plugins to allow you to do your spool sheets and create your fabrication level models. But then also during the modeling process, you have to be concerned with estimating and keeping your estimates up to speed with what your models are doing. And so we have 2 solutions called Trimble AutoBid Mechanical and Trimble AutoBid SheetMetal, focused specifically for mechanical contractors. And those allow you to bring that model information by bringing the bill of materials directly into both of these programs to then create your estimates for labor and materials without having to retake that information off. But then once you have all this information detailed and coordinated back in the office, you still need a way to get it back out to the field so that you can then enable that virtual design and construction process. And that's where you start to prepare these models for field layout. And within the DuctDesigner 3D program and the PipeDesigner 3D program, we have automated tools to create what are called field points or layout points in the field. And these are all the items that you want to have actually staked out in the field accurately using a robotic total station. For folks that are not using it, either DuctDesigner or PipeDesigner, we also have a program called Trimble Field Points, which allows you to have that as a plugin within either AutoCAD, Revit, or SketchUp. And then you can also create those same type of field points and have a direct integration of pushing that information out to the robotic total stations that are being used out in the construction site. So then once you have your points created for layout, then you can do the actual physical layout on the job site by the trades. And so for those solutions, Trimble offers the Trimble Field Link for MEP system and also our rapid positioning system. And these are robotic total stations that are now taking that 3D model information that you've created in the office, putting on a controller out in the field, and then that controller is guiding a robotic total station to accurately lay out the information that you've created in the model out into the field. And then once you have that information laid out in the field, then you have immediate as-built information. And so those points are representing where things got laid out in the field and actually got installed based off of the actual field conditions. And in addition to that point information, you can also be taking actual images of the field conditions and have those points overlaid on top of those images and be able to share that data back with the office. And then as those points get laid out and staked in the field, you can then push that data back into the office and update your model with the actual as-built location. And then other ways that you're seeing updates being made to the model, you're also starting to now see 3D laser scanning come into play with the MEP workflow. And the solution that Trimble provides is our scanning software called Trimble RealWorks. And what this does is it allows you to take a 3D laser scanner, go out into the field, document what I like to refer to as the as-is condition, and then create a composite 3D point cloud model that then represents the actual conditions that you're dealing with. And then from that point cloud information, you can start to do detailing and modeling of that point cloud, and then push both the point cloud data and the model data into your other CAD and BIM applications. So the overall workflow, again, for Trimble is taking kind of this holistic approach of looking at how doing the 3D modeling and the detailing starts to facilitate that whole idea of virtual design and construction. So taking that model, getting it prepared in the office, doing the coordination, and then pushing that information out to the field to do accurate layout to represent what was designed actually out in the field and have it installed as it was designed, and then updating your model with that information once it is installed and pushing it back into the office so you get that nice holistic workflow. And I invite you to take a look at our website at mep.trimble.com. We can get a little more information about each of these solutions. And also, please feel free to come by our table over in the vendors area. Thank you.